Just pause, take a break, put some time on studying about the AI and how the AI is going to affect your job, your proficiency, what you have studied, or you are planning to do that, or how it will affect your overall life, your family, your country, and overall all around you. That's important, whether the AI is here to eliminate your proficiency totally from the country, from the world, or replace it, or is it the need of your proficiency, your job, or what you have studied during 16 years, 18 years, or more than that? It will be replaced by something else as the name of AI or robots, or what advancement in technology is coming in the way. Think of that before you go ahead. Hi, this is Milad Akbari from Akbari Education. Welcome to your own channel. Today we are going to discuss from other perspective the AI and how it's going to be impactful on your life. How it's going to impact. Think of that. Go and study on that. Remember the time, or you heard from your parents that there was no calling, there was no internet, there was no WhatsApp, and whenever you are asking somebody else health or asking about him, you were writing a letter to him. Now you have internet, now you have mobile phone, now you can call, you have group call and face-to-face talk to each other. How it come and how it's impacting the world, how the technology is changing. This is something coming to us and we need to learn. As an accountant, let's directly jump to that. Accountants, what they will do, they are analyzing the data, the records, the documents and everything. They are doing the recordings, they process it, and they will produce the financial statements, the financial information for the relevant users. Is this something will go ahead for next 5, 10, 20 years? Or there will be a robot, a program, a software, something that will do it for you. Now the world is like this. Now even now, we have the customer connected with the bank, we have the supplier connected with the bank, we have our own bank account, and they can be interconnected to our own system inside the company. And what if there is a software that can analyze the data from all sides and can prepare the recording, doing the recording and analyzing and everything, and prepare the reports, financial statement, and even distribute that to the shareholders and users of the financial statement? Then you as an accountant, what you will do? The same job, clerical, bookkeeper job that you are doing will be replaced by the robots. If you are a production officer, you do the works of the production. What if a robot come and can work 24 hours 7 days without any break, without any health insurance requirement, without any barriers on the employer? They will replace you. They want more profit, they want more earnings. Up to now, there is no rules and regulations in place in whole world on how we are going to deal with the AI. And that's very important. Even everybody is stuck with that. What is going to happen with this AI on us, on humanity? What will be the impact? How the capitalism is going to use this AI and generate more and more wealth, but how the poor people is going to pay off, how the middle class people is going to pay off. What we should learn even to make sure we are in the path of that AI and we can use that AI to support our life and our proficiency. Until now, I heard and I researched for that there is no law. Even Biden have some latest writings and backup drafts. Still the process ongoing, and there are research on how we can make rules and regulations and law for the AI. That's why the big people, those who have been involved, whether an investment or whether an invention or creating or just developing this AI, they warned that that will be risky for our future. There will be risky aspects to our life. Let's think of that. You know that in school, in university, the teacher is going to give us to do this thing. This is your homework. What will happen if the next generation understand that the AI, or as a sample of that, the ChatGPT can solve their problems better than human being? What will happen? They will go and directly ask ChatGPT, this is my homework, please give me something I will carry out and will deliver it to school as a homework. Now the ChatGPT can do these things. Even it have passed the very tough exams. You know about the accountancy field, what you are studying, the questions and answers which are there, the analytical questions which exist. You can deliver the same question to ChatGPT and it will solve it. Maybe not like an expert, but that's the initial stage. The current available data inside ChatGPT is up to September 2021. And what is unique about this program, about whole AI, is by interaction with the people. I'm doing the interaction, I'm asking a question, it will realize, it will save it down with itself. It is learning day by day, but I'm a single guy, which I deliver the question, I'm learning something. In the same time, it's interacting with millions of people, with billions of people at the same time, at the same day. How much they can learn. We are limited with our brain. We cannot capture that much as a single user of that. But ChatGPT as a single, just increasing by the memory and RAM, it can realize, understand, and just catch more and more and realize the data to respond you very faster. So what's ahead of us is only solvable and adaptable by adapting yourself to that change. As I told you, remember the time which there was no telephone, there was no mobile, there was no internet for connecting each other. How this appeared, what jobs has been removed, and the new generation, how they have adapted themselves to use this utility, to use this equipment for the betterment of their proficiency and speeding up the work. That's the way we are going ahead and using that. But it needs something. You need to put some time to understand the AI. You need to adjust your proficiency. You need to adjust your experience based on the developments going to happen. If suppose tomorrow the designer is not required to do editing in a Photoshop and there is a program you will order, it will do adjustments whatsoever way you want, then what the designer will do? There should be a new way. We should find a new way that we can use the same program and software and everything and enhance the quality of our work. Then we are in the same path. Remember, always there are companies and people who are left behind and they don't care about the promotion and progress going on. And those are the people and the companies which will end up out of the market, whether as an individual, whether as in a company. So go ahead, study about that. Make sure you're going parallel with the AI. Thank you so much for being with us till end of the video. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks.